Day I found her sitting by that car lot. She looked so fine, I knew I had to have her. Said, man, I'd drive her to make her mine. We rode together feeling so divine. No worries inside until seen ex-wife. That car was my love, lit up all my nights. And exhaust sounded so nice, I miss it more than stars miss morning lights. And never bitched at me or said I drank too much. Never judged my ways or called me out of touch. My ex-wife always nagged and brought me down, but that car never made me wear a frown. Wish I still had that car around. Miss it more than my ex-wife. Every storm would never break us. She never left me stranded in the rain. Just pure sweet love, no need to explain. She was best con man, could have had it his life. Fuck, miss that car more than my ex-wife. That car miles my love, lit up all my nights. I miss it more than stars, miss the morning lights. It never bitched at me or said I drank too much. Never judged my ways or called me out of touch. My ex-wife always nagged and brought me down, but that call never made me wear a frown. Wish I still had that car around. Miss it more than my ex-wife. Wish they made women like they do cars, less stress and more fun too. So when you see my ex, just know I'm fine not having her in my life. But I love that car more than did my ex-wife.